Okay, here I am again. We are going to be expanding and simplifying these expressions. So you're going to multiply out your bracket here. So 2 times x gives you 2x. 2 times 5 is 10. Be mindful the sign there, that is a plus. So that is plus 10. If there's nothing in front of this bracket, or any bracket for that matter, just place a 1. So you'll be multiplying in a negative 1. So minus 1 times x is negative 1x. Don't need the 1 if you don't want to. The other thing you've got to be careful of, if there is a minus in front of your bracket, it will be altering the sign that follows. This is a plus, so therefore the plus sign will change to a minus. 1 times 1 is 1. Then you're just left to simplify. Be careful, watch your signs. 2 take away 1 gives you're left with 1x. 10 take away 1, you're left with plus 9. Don't rush these when you do them, just to make sure you don't make any silly mistakes. Okay, let's just have a look at another one. Here is a minus in front of my bracket. Okay, so we'll need to be careful of that. So minus 4 times x is minus 4x. Then as this is a minus, the sign that follows will be changing. That being a minus will change to a plus. 4 times 8 is 32. Plus 2 times x, 2x. Now this being a plus, the sign is not going to alter. So that's just going to be minus. That's a minus, it just stays a minus. 2 times 4 is 8. So if you look at this one here, this minus changed to a plus because of the minus in front. This minus stays because the sign in front was a plus. Okay, we'll definitely be tested on those sort of concepts. Minus 4 plus 2, so that gives you minus 2x. Plus 32, subtract 8 is going to be 32, take away 8 will be, what's that, 24. Right, let's look at when we have double brackets. Okay, now I've done this method for you before. You don't have to use this, but it just really helps to make sure that you don't lose track of what you're doing. So I like using these little multiplication grids. Okay, x times x gives you x squared. Let's do things properly so we don't make silly mistakes. Minus 4 times x gives me minus 4x. X times 5, so it gives me plus. Be mindful of the signs, please. Minus and a plus will give you a minus. 4 times 5 gives you 20. You can then list your terms inside your multiplication grid. So that's x squared minus 4x plus 5x minus 20. Right, then you're left to group your like terms. So minus 4 plus 5 is plus 1. X minus 20. The last one in here is, I'm not going to use a multiplication grid here as I don't have a double bracket like I do in the previous one. So I'm just simply going to go y times y gives me y squared, and y times 5 gives me plus 5y. Thank you.